Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this one is very beautiful decoration. You can see it's looking very beautiful, very good also. And this also you can see the lights and all, and the floor, the walls and all, very beautiful decoration. You can see it's looking very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the pink color floor and all. You can see it is very beautiful decoration. You can see it's looking very good. You can see it is very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, and the color and the theme and all, very beautiful decoration. It's very beautiful. And this also you can see the black color theme. It is very beautiful. The black color theme, it's looking very good. It's looking very beautiful also. And this also you can see it is also very beautiful. The lights on the floor, the walls and all, very beautiful decoration. You can see it is looking very good. This also you can see the floor, the roof, the walls and all, very beautiful decoration. It's looking very good. The lights and all. And this also you can see the wall, you can see the roof, you can see it is also very beautiful decoration. Very beautiful decoration. You can see it is looking very good. And this also you can see it is also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, and the roof, the floor and all, very beautiful decoration. You can see it is looking very good also, very expensive. And modern bathroom, you can see. And it's also the modern bedroom. It is also very beautiful modern bedroom. You can see it's also very beautiful. The lines also you can see the mirror backside. You can see beautiful lights and all. Also it is also very beautiful, looking very good in decoration and design. It's also you can see the wall decoration. You can see it is also very beautiful. It is looking also very good. You can see. And this also you can see it is also very beautiful. The mirror, the backside mirror, the lights and all, and the floor, everything is very beautiful. This also you can see the lights and all, beautiful lights and all. You can see the floor and the roof. It is also very beautiful decoration. You can see it is looking so well, say very good. And this also you can see the pink color bedroom and all, and the wall. You can see very beautiful wall and all. You can see very beautiful looking. And also you can see it's also very beautiful, the lights and all, very beautiful lights. And this also you can see the blue color theme. And also I hope you like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice, take care and goodbye.